CPM party promotaya kare BJP banner আমরা দিন সবাই খুবাইলাম ধুম CPM party promotaya kare BJP banner আমরা দিন সবাই খুবাইলাম ধুম নবকুটদের স্বাগত নবকুটদের স্বাগত নবকুটদের স্বাগত ভারত মাতা কি ভারত মাতা কি ভারত মাতা কি BJP BJP BJP.
So today, what was the total number? How many have joined, and what is the reason? What is the message?
See, today about 113 families, 482 voters already have joined from Motha and from CPM party. So you know how our government is working and how our honorable Prime Minister is working. On that basis, people's already have realized that without Bharatiya Janata Party, this Janajati's development won't be possible. So that's why they are coming. Every nook and corner I am going. You have seen already, our leaders are also going. So peoples are running. Rather, I should say they are all running, not walking. They are running after Bharatiya Janata Party to be attached with this party. And I am sure that in future, ensuing result, in the result you will find out our efforts and how these people will cast their votes in favor of BJP.
Sir, you in your speech have said some people are trying to confuse the indigenous people and as a whole the state people of the state. Who are these people? Why they are trying to confuse?
You know, understand why you want that from my mouth, I should say. Everybody understand, na? So it is not needed. Already everybody knows who is speaking what. So and the public here, the people who were present here, they also knew it. So I need not, need not say these things.
You spoke about the village council election. Why it is getting delayed? You have put the allegation on some party.
No, you have seen that illegally they had done it, na? Because 123 BC they have already by force, I think illegally they have made it. So that cannot be done because you have to take the permission and it is must as per law. You have to take the permission from the BC and there is no existence of the BC. So that's why it is not possible, but they will do. And for that also from our department, this Tribal Welfare Ministry, they have already have written to them that you are doing wrong things. And even though they are doing all sort of these things.
No, they are saying that the village council tenure is already over.
Already over, so there is no existence of BC. So how without this BC formation, how they can create this 123 more BC? They cannot do it.
And about the recruitment, those are taking place without the concurrent of the finance. How it is possible?
It had been done for a long time in ADC, not during this time also. For a long time also, during CPM regime also they have done it. Now, without taking the concurrence of the state government, how they can give this employment? They cannot give. Recruitment cannot be possible there. So that's why they are facing this problem. And we are not responsible for that. They have to do it. So like that, every time say they are not they are not in a position to run this ADC properly.
सर मोथा सुप्रीमो ने कहा है कि 28 में 25 सीट लेके एडीसी गवर्नमेंट फिर से दोबारा मोथा गवर्नमेंट में आएगा. इस तरफ से मोथा का तरफ से जो सुप्रीमो से कहा गया कि ऐसा रोमन स्क्रिप्ट हम लोग को दबाया जा रहा है, रोमन स्क्रिप्ट देने के लिए तैयार नहीं है. इस बारे में आप क्या कहना है?
मैं तो खुला अभी जो मैंने बात किया है ना, मैंने स्पीच आप सुने हो, हर चीज़ तो मैंने पूरा विस्तार से बात किया. तो मेरा आंसर तो उसी में है. तो फिर इसमें क्या आंसर देंगे? सब तो उसी में पूरा क्लियर मैंने बताया. मैंने तो पूरा क्लियर बताया. फिर दोबारा क्या उसमें बोलना है? क्लियर बताया, पहले भी बताया, अब आज भी बताया मैंने.
साबरूम में जो जनसभा में जो कहा था
एक ही चीज बार बार रिपीट कर रहे हैं ना, तो ये तो अननेसेसरी है.
लेकिन इस बार अलायंस में होगा सर?
नहीं, वो तो बात की बात है. अभी तो हम लोग यहाँ ऑपोजिशन में है ना, एडीसी में तो वी आर इन ऑपोजिशन. इन एडीसी वी आर इन ऑपोजिशन, वी आर नॉट अलायंस इन एडीसी.
Thanks.